Hey everybody, it's Rob Lawrence from Vanguard Realty Alliance. So today I'm going to be doing a project on my laundry room with the laundry room doors. It's going to be difficult. I'm not really looking forward to it, to be honest with you. It's got a lot of difficulties. Let me explain. So here is the laundry room which we built out, and we got upstairs laundry, which is fantastic. But there's a couple issues. One, the laundry room is barely big enough to fit the washer and dryer in it. So there's not much clearance. It's hard to get these machines in and out of here. It just barely works. You have to be careful keeping this door as wide as possible. Now we could put sliders in here, but then you could only access this or this. At the time, you couldn't unload the washer into the dryer, which is kind of annoying, right? So the other issue is here. Okay, so we're right tight up against the wall, as you can see. And this dryer opens like this. So there's no clearance here to put a door that swings out. So we're gonna be doing a special hinge like this, which is a zero clearance hinge, and it's gonna go on like this. Now you can see that this is a little too tight to the wall right now, so we need to space this out probably to about there, which I will have to do. So, but it should still clear the door just barely. All right, let's get started. So these are the doors here that we're gonna be using. They are not the right size, so we're gonna have to customize the size of them, but they're two doors, one swings one way, one swings the other, so a left hand and a right hand door. And just got these from Home Depot, solid cores. And so anyway, I'm gonna have to take these doors off, get the frames in place, replace the hinges on the one side, rip both sides of the doors to try to make them the right size. And here's my table saw for that. A little mess on it. Okay, so you can see here that we've got the framing in. I've used 3 sides of the doors, and you can see at the top that little hole, which is actually so one side of the doors. So we've got the hinge sides on both here, and then that I've got that all shimmed in place, tried to make it as level as I possibly could, and slapping it in with the nail gun. So I'm using this tool to carve these out. I cut 1.5 inches off the door, as you can see right here, because the door's the wrong size. So I had to trim that down. I'm gonna go test fit these doors. They're still a little too long on the one side, and we gotta handle that. Got the other one here, my table saw for trimming them, and my buddy helped me. Let's talk about where we're at right now. Got these doors on. Jude's helping here. Jude, are you helping? What are you eating? Don't eat that. No. So these hinges are in place. One of the issues with this when we cut the door back off is we ended up with this particle board inside here instead of like a real hardwood. So I'm using longer drywall screws to get a little, I got this 1 5/8. I'm using that instead of this shorter screw to go in there to try to give it a little more grip, because this wood is soft. And this door is hanging pretty good right now. I'm gonna have to trim this down. It's just a little too long still. So I gotta cut this front off. I'm trying to like not take all from one side. So I took 1.5 inches from here. I'm gonna take 3/4 from this side. It won't be exactly uniform, but I'm thinking it won't look too off in terms of keeping this pattern somewhat centered in the whole thing. And now the door handles, they don't look right. So I'm gonna take a piece of wood, go over the top, and then put some kind of different handle here. It's gonna be magnetic stuff here. And yeah, see how it goes. Okay, they're in. A lot of adjustments I had to make because I messed up stuff, but they're in. Just gotta finish, but I'm super happy. Okay, you can see here the final product. You can see that piece of wood I've added, plus these pretty bold handles, which are really like a cool centerpiece almost in the hallway. And they got the magnet up there, just like I was talking about. And they open. And let's try the dryer door just to see if it opens. Oh, it does. So, hey, if you love this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.